Captain! Captain! Should we lower the egg? Captain! Captain! Wake up, Captain!
Oh, Captain! My Captain! Our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rock, the people all exulting, while follow ice, the steady keel, the vessel, grim and daring.
But oh heart! Heart! Heart!
Oh, the bleeding drops of red! We're on the deck! My Captain lies!
Fallen! Cold! And dead!
Oh, Captain! My Captain! Rise up and hear the bells! Rise up, for you the flag is flung! For you the bugle trills! For you bouquets and ribbon wreaths! For you the scarves are crowding! For you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. Here, Captain! Dear Father!
This arm beneath your head!
It is some dream that on the deck you fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. That ship has safe and sound. Its voyage close and done. From fearful ship, the victor ship comes in with object one. Exalt shores and ring bells, but I, with mournful treads, walk the deck. My captain lies, fallen, cold, and dead.